A defendant with a documented mental disability walks into court facing a felony that could mean up to 10 years in prison. After a competency evaluation clears him, the judge has to decide, prison or one life-changing second chance. Stay until the end to see what the court ultimately decides.
Yes, I will. All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 012208, State versus Keonsae Smith. Can I have parties announce?
Mr. Smith is to my right.
All right, and are you Mr. Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Sir, you need to have a seat. All right, Mr. Smith, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea, it gives you more than you bargained for. The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yeah.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yeah.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Very much so.
Mr. Smith, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years. The state is silent on your application. There's a $1,500 fine. There's to be registration, no contact with the complainant, TAP evaluation, Nick Myoff evaluation. And counsel, the court is aware that ADA Aquifer was a part of the plea bargain agreement and that there were some issues with competency.
We did have him evaluated. He came back clear, but just for the record, he does get a check from the government for mental disability.
All right, so Mr. Smith, did you understand that as your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
None.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
No objection.
All right, state you may excuse. Thank you. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. We're proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, please.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just, Your Honor, his mother has been very involved in this process. He's got a lot of support back home. He does have a mental intellectual disability. He does receive, I believe, an SSI. As a result of that, there was some concerns about that going in. I think we got him doing cleared by the competency evaluation, but that report very well outlined his history of just limited, I think, cognitive understanding on some things, and also just, I think, you're on a few medications as well. And so we'd ask the court to take that in consideration. I think he's a good candidate for deferred adjudication. He doesn't have a criminal record. We'd ask the court to give an opportunity.
All right. And I see in the stipulations that he was given his Amazon account information for somebody to use as well.
Yeah, that's correct.
All right. So is he going to be staying in Texas, or?
He was arrested in Louisiana. This entire incident on his behalf took place in Louisiana, so he's not even from Texas. He would like the opportunity to go back.
Which parish?
Beanville.
Okay. All right. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication. There will be a transfer to Bienville Parish. What city is that?
Arcadia.
All right, transfer to Bienville Parish. I don't know if that's Arcadia though.
It should be either Shreveport, Arcadia, or Monroe,
All right,
or Ringo.
because I know it's I know it's not Shreveport.
Could be Ringo.
Okay, I'll look that up. All right, 5 years deferred adjudication, transfer to Bienville Parish, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Who will you be living with?
My mother.
And are there any minors in the household? No. Okay, no residing in households with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. And I understand the facts of this case are a little bit different than normal, but I'm just putting this in here to make sure that things are as they should be. At some point in time, that can be lifted if, he had brothers or sisters or something of that nature.
Thank you, Judge.
There's to be Chapter 62 compliance. There's to be no contact with the complainant, and we'll do a MIC evaluation. That can be done out of custody. Since he already has the SSI, they'll probably have the paperwork for that. And do you have a doctor back in Louisiana?
My main doctor, she moved out on her name, and my mom was on her commission. I don't have any.
All right. And there's to be continued mental health treatment. And is that a private doctor?
No.
Do insurance is public?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. He's to do continued mental health treatment. And we'll have to find out where that is. Probation, there's also a $1,500 fine, and that'll be probated. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. We'll do no possession of firearms as well. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
One courtroom decision can change a person's future forever. Do you think the judge made the right call by granting deferred adjudication instead of prison? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoy real courtroom cases, legal breakdowns, and unforgettable judge moments, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next case.